guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while, we've kind of been busy, haven't we, buddy? Yep, today we're going to fly cockatiels. Not something I post about often on this channel, but hey ho, we've got the lovely feathered Frank over there, who is hiding. But yes, we're going to go fly Frank and Denali together. See you guys there. We have arrived at our flight destination, and some of you guys may be wondering where we are flying. Today we are at the beautiful Formonthills, and actually we are at a stone circle. Yay! Let's get the birds ready. If you guys want to free fly it, it's actually incredibly easy. Here, I will actually show you in 3 simple steps. 1. Get yourself millet. It is the cockatiel's favourite snack. 2. Make sure you have a really good bond with your bird. 3. Find a mentor. The amount of people that are flying birds right now and they're getting lost because the people don't know what they're doing. Please stop. You know, this is all well and good and it is so fun for us and for the birds. But if you're going out there without the proper knowledge of location selection, wind control, how to read a location for your bird, what your bird's skill sets are, how to read that, you're going to fail your bird and you are going to lose them. Stop taking your bird out without getting help from a mentor. Yes, mentors cost. Knowledge is expensive. Okay? I know it's not something that you want to hear, but if you want to offer your birds this kind of life, you need to be prepared for it. Governments can actually shut free flight down. And do you want to be the reason for that happening? I don't think so. So please don't take your bird out unrestrained unless you know what you're doing. It is so easy to lose these guys if you don't. These are trained birds, minus Paco. Paco has issues, but Denali is a trained bird. Frank is a trained bird. They are all trained. They know what they are doing. Capiche? a not so heartfelt speech, but more of a warning to you all. We're going to move to another part of Formonthills because, well, hills, and we're going to try and fly these guys off one of the bigger hills. See if they want to and see if it's too windy. See you guys there. And we have made it to the top of this gorgeous hill. Like, look how beautiful it is up here. So that's us done flying for the day. These guys are pooped, and to be honest, so are we. But it was really good, wasn't it? Hannah from Up Feather Frank doesn't like being on video, as you can tell, but they will be in more videos at some point because, well, we're not going to stop flying these guys. They clearly love it. Anyway, we're heading back to the garden because we have some fun renovations to do that are all parrot orientated. Because yes, we are absolutely insane and our lives revolve around these birds. Anyway, I'll catch you guys at the next video. I hope you like this one. Sorry it's probably not very long. Bye!